Hi everyone, welcome back on my channel. We're still doing the ABC reporters. We still try to automatize it with VBA. Let's make some small recap what we already did. So steps that we already did is create a calculation column with total price with formula, already did. Create a pivot table, totally did, and create a new worksheet with name pivot table. That's already done. Next step was to add all fields necessary to pivot table and sort it descending as already done. And the next step that you should do, the most crucial one for the ABC report, is to create a new column with cumulative sum and check how many lines do you have, because in pivot table general from default you have the last value as a total sum of the values, and then create the second column with if statements with formula ifs and clusterize the ABC category. So let's make this two the most important the most important columns, because then we will see how many categories do we have and which items is the most important for us. Okay, so let's start to write a column. Let's code. Let's start here. Okay, so we'll start with range function, and the first column will be in C, then the second one in D column. So let's start from C5, because in C5 we have the first value that we can compare, and then our pivot table is starting. So C5 till C, so till the end. Then use cell formula, because now we'll be counting the rows. Then rows count, and we'll be counting B, because we are checking from the previous column as it was in pivot table. B. Okay, then we're going to the end of our column, and for this purpose we are using XLP. So basically it's like the same as you put control and page down. It should be the same function. And the last step is to go with row. And yeah, so this is the base, this is like a range for us, for which we want to put the formula. And then last step is formula. Okay, so we do really know where we put the formula. Now to write the formula. So now the cumulative sum. So let's start with bracket B. Let's divide it by the last value from our B. So this is the last, and let's block it. Let's block it already. Yeah, and now we want to add the last value, and cells, rows, count, and B. Okay, sorry, and B. Now once again, let's jump to the end of the column. Is row, and add the previous value, because it's cumulative sum, so we are divided by value by total, right, by the end of the value, this total sum, and then we are adding the previous one. So we are now in C5. Now want to add, let's add it, C4. Okay, yeah, we don't have any syntax error. Code is working. I was just thinking that I was forgetting about the end in the code, because we should 2 times go there, but yeah, the value is working. I mean, the value is here, so cumulative sum is done. Let's write a comment. Create a column with cumulative sum. Okay, yeah, so here we are. We already have the one step done. Let's go now for the second. The base and the starting will be pretty set, starting point, because we will start with range, but now it will be D5 till D, and we are going with the same. Let's compile error, because we try to put everything here. Okay, we'll be counting everything here, but we will be counting C value, because we are this is the one to the right from C value. And let's start writing the formula. So here we have the we did see this code, we write it in previous videos, but like a formula, so let's write this like formula here. we should start with brackets, and then in brackets we start with some value. So it'll be ifs open open bracket, and let's see 4 is smaller than 1, 2, double bracket here. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Then if C4 is smaller than 0.08, we should go with B. And if C4 is bigger or equal 8, let's go with C. Okay. Yeah. 1. Yeah, it was like 3. It was triple, so no, it should be here. It is like that. But yeah, with this it's a line without any syntax error. Or just like a comment, create a column with clustering value for A, B, C category. Create. Yeah, so type error. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.